Isn't it time your business banking was as mobile as you are? You're a business owner on the go. You don't have time for clunky, complicated banking systems. You need speed, simplicity, and smart tools right in your pocket. That's exactly what Tide's mobile app delivers for your everyday business finances. In the next 2 minutes, we'll walk through the core features that make managing your money with the Tide app quick and painless. First up, the dashboard and transactions. When you open the app, you get an instant, crystal clear view of your business balance. No digging required. Every transaction is listed clearly, and here's the magic: Tide automatically categorizes your spending. See that coffee? Tag it as staff welfare. See that software subscription? Business tools. This instant categorization is a huge win for tax time, making your bookkeeping practically do itself. You can even tap a transaction to add a receipt simply by taking a photo. Next, let's talk about payments. Sending money is a breeze. Just tap Send Money, enter the amount, and choose a saved payee or add a new one in seconds. Need to pay a team member or a supplier? You can schedule payments right from the app, so you never miss a deadline. This is crucial for maintaining healthy cash flow. Now for a feature that saves serious admin time: invoicing. Under the Payments tab, you'll find the option to get paid. You can create professional invoices directly in the app. Add your client's details, your itemized services, and hit send. The app tracks the invoice status, notifying you when it's paid and even helping you chase those late payers. Imagine sending an invoice the moment you finish a job, right from your phone. Finally, let's touch on card control and security. Lost your Tide card? Don't panic. Go to the cards section and instantly freeze it with a single tap. Found it in your coat pocket? Unfreeze it just as quickly. You have total, instant control, giving you peace of mind wherever your business takes you. Tide isn't just a bank account, it's a financial platform built for the modern entrepreneur. From smart expense tagging to easy invoicing and instant payments, the app puts all the tools you need to run your business's finances efficiently, right at your fingertips. If you're ready to ditch the banking admin and get back to doing what you love, the Tide app is your solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.